What is reverberation? What is reverberation time? What is reverberation and what is reverberation time? So, the persistence of or prolongation of sound due to multiple reflections of sound even after the original source has ceased is called reverberation. On the dais, on the dais, the teacher or any speaker produces some sound. The sound waves are moving and incident on the walls, doors, windows, board, and so on. In all the directions, they are moving, incident and reflected back. Due to this reflection, we will observe some different sounds. That sounds are called reverberation. Reverberation. So, simple definition, what I am saying, you observe, simple, you observe the prolongation of sound due to multiple reflections of sound even after the original sound has ceased is called reverberation. Sometimes you observe reflected sound, resound. Sir, I cannot listen because of this is I am observing some resound. Some resound. I am observing some resound. So that is the incident on the walls reflected that sounds. After closed that perfect original sound also, we will be observed some other sounds. That is reverberation. The definition you can observe on the screen. The persistence or prolongation of sound due to multiple reflections of sound even after the original sound has ceased is called reverberation. Reverberation. So you observe this is some hall, cinema hall, or auditorium at anything. You can observe this is the dais. This is sound source. From this sound source, the rays are moving in all the directions. The sound waves are moving in all the directions. These are reflected. These are incident on the door, floor, etc. and reflected. Reflected. So these sound waves incident on the walls, doors, ceiling, windows, and these are reflected 2 to 300 reflections. Due to 300 reflections. You observe explanation. When a sound pulse is generated in a hall at the place of dais, the sound waves the sound wave travels towards all the directions. You see, observe here. These are moving in all the directions. All the directions. Are reflected incident on the door or wall. These are reflected back by the walls, floors, doors, windows, ceiling, etc. as shown in this figure. At the place of dais, the sound pulse is generated in the hall. Before reaching perfect sound, the audience, before receiving the sound pulse incident on the windows, doors, ceilings, etc., as shown in this figure. So a sound wave has 2 to 300 repeated reflections it will be get. So we will observe. We will be observed. So a sound wave has 2 to 300 repeated reflections before it becomes inaudible. Therefore, the observer in the hall does not be able to hear a single sharp sound. He observed multiple sounds. He cannot observe comfort sound. Comfort sound. He cannot hear a single sharp sound. Instead, a rule of sound of decreasing intensity. The sound wave is incident on the wall. It loses some energy and also reflected. The reflected sound is also incident on the ceiling or floor or window. it also loses some other energy. So after some 2 to 300 reflections, it it lost the total energy. So we cannot listen perfect sound with perfect pitch. We cannot listen perfect sound. When the sound source is switched on, you observe the sound source is switched on. Intensity slowly builds up. When it is switched off, the intensity drops slowly. You know very well, there is no new word. What I am saying, when the sound source is switched on, intensity slowly builds up. When it is switched off, the intensity drops slowly. The propagation of sound inside a room or hall, even after the source producing sound, that is original sound, is turned off, is called reverberation. The original sound stopped, turned off, switched off. Then also we will observe some sounds. Phenomena is called reverberation. This is due to multiple reflections. Why we are observing reverberation? Due to the multiple reflections from the walls, ceiling, floor, and other reflecting materials present in that hall or auditorium. That is the reverberation. So reverberation time. So acoustics definition, very, very important. Reverberation and also reverberation time. They will ask in our examination point of view. Very, very, very important. What is reverberation time? The time required by sound intensity to decrease to 1 millionth of its initial value. That is called 1 millionth of, for example, I am giving this axis. So you can observe ball pen option I am giving. So, okay. Right. So you observe here what is going on. You can observe here. So IF is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 I. So IF by II is equal to 10 to the power minus 6. I by IF 10 to the power plus 6, because 1 by 10 to the power minus 6. So what is the time required by the sound intensity to decrease, to drop 1 millionth? 1 millionth. So you can observe here, this is 1 by 10 to the power 6. 1 by 10 to the power 6. Yes, I am erasing this. You can observe. So this is IF by II is equal to 1 by 10 to the power 6 or 1 by million or mega star, 10 to the power 6 stars. So 10 to the power 6, that is mega. So or it is also called millionth, that is 1 millionth. 1 millionth of its initial. We can write here IF is equal to 1 by million into II. This is the definition. You can see 1 millionth of its initial value II. That is the reverberation time. The time required by the sound intensity IF, sound intensity IF to decrease or to drop to 1 millionth of its initial value is called reverberation time. Reverberation time. Very, very, very important. You observe this equation, you can give the definition. The time required by the sound intensity, IF, to decrease to 1/millionth of its initial value is called reverberation time. So reverberation time can be expressed in terms of sound level in decibels, dB, decibels. So rather than intensity. If the initial intensity is II, let II is the initial intensity, IF is the final intensity. Therefore, IF is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 into II according to definition. So II by IF is equal to 10 to the power 6. Already I discussed. So this is the general formula. The decibel dBi initial minus dBf final is equal to 10 log II by IF. This is the principle. Just you remember. So substituting here only. So this is the same. 10 log same. II by IF we can substitute here 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6. So this is 10 as it is. For example, log b to the power a, we can write a log b. A log b. Same formula. We are writing here 6 log 10. So 10 as it is. This is 6 as it is. Log 10 to the base 10. This is 1. That is log 10, 1. So 10 into 6, that is 60. dBi minus dBf is equal to 60. The reverberation, another definition, reverberation time. The reverberation time is the time required for the intensity to drop by 60 decibels. Is also called reverberation time. Another definition. The first definition, what is that? The time required by sound intensity to drop to 1/millionth of its initial value is called reverberation time. Or in decibels, the reverberation time is the time required for the intensity to drop by 60 decibels is also called reverberation time. Reverberation time. So thank you all.